Hello everyone, I'm Dushana Lamsal and today I'll be deriving the formula for the volume of cylinder, which is πr²h. I have a cylinder with me and we can divide it into two parts. Now let's divide it into 4 parts. When we join these 4 parts together, it tries to become into a somewhat of a cuboid. Now let's divide it into 8 parts. Now it is more defined than before. Let's divide it into 16 equal halves. Now let's join these halves together. As you can see, it has become into a cuboid. As you can see, we made our cylinder into a cuboid. This is the length of the cuboid, which is the half of the perimeter of circle, which is πr. This is the radius and this is the height, which is the same height of the cylinder. So from our observation, we can note that L equals to πr, B equals to R, and H is H. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H, which is πr into R into H. So the volume of cylinder is also πr²h. So I hope you learned how to derive the formula of the volume of cylinder by using the volume of cuboid. Thank you.